Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notifications of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. Yes guys, I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic, as I know you are waiting of my new and latest video. So your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your favorite and other topic. So let's start the video. I am sharing in this video beautiful new short haircut ideas for girls. As you know, short haircut ideas are on trending these days. All beautiful girls, young girls, celebrities, office going girls, teenage girls are getting these hairstyles in these days because these hairstyles are on trending and according to the fashion. Well, I am sharing all the beautiful, new style, unique and latest haircut ideas in this video. You can get your favorite one from this video, as these haircuts will inspire you to choose your favorite one and get this hairstyle as early as possible as you watch. So guys, don't waste the time, just pick up your favorite one. Take a screenshot of your favorite hairstyle and haircut and go to your hairstylist and pick this hairstyle with your favorite fashion hair color. As I am sharing these haircuts with your favorite fashion hair colors which are on trending, well, you can also go through with base color as well. It's up to you which choice you select for yourself. You can go on with base color, natural color, or you can go on with your favorite fashion or funky hair color as well. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do and like me, appreciate, you can appreciate me through comment section if you like my effort, and also you can share your ideas through comment section that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make videos on your ideas. Your choice is my first priority. You also can appreciate me. Your appreciation keep me energetic and boosting me and make me boost to make video for you guys next on your and other favorite topic. So guys, you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they can also know about the latest fashion of haircut ideas, because I make videos on fashion and trend daily, and after getting subscribe to my channel you will be updated to the fashion and trend as well. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the videos and keep supporting me. Your support is really mean to me, and this is really honor to me when you appreciate me and support me. Your support is my real energy. I need your support, your appreciation, your ideas, and your positive response. So, guys, thanks for watching the video. I will be there in next video with one of your another favorite topic. Till then, take care yourselves. Keep remember me in your prayers too. God bless you all. Take care yourselves and have a great hair day.